Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your button layout on controller in Battlefield 6. So once you're on main screen, tap over to settings. When the settings menu open, move to the left side and scroll down to controller. Here you'll see different control categories for infantry and vehicles. To actually edit anything, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to open the edit settings screen on the right. Now you can go into each section, infantry, ground vehicles and so on to adjust whatever layout you want. Just keep in mind that every category has its own separate button layout. Changing one doesn't change the others. I'll show you with an infantry example. If I switch my button layout to lefty, I just press back to return to the previous menu and you'll see it's now saved as lefty. If you want to switch it back, just go back into the menu, choose default and press back again. You can also open control mapping to change individual button actions one by one. This is where you can fully customize everything exactly the way you want. And that's it for this quick walkthrough. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.